Hey, what's up, guys? So this is the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's newest addition to the iPhone lineup in 2025. And what makes this one interesting is that it's not a Pro, it's not a Plus, it's not a SE, it's the Air, which of course immediately makes you think of the MacBook Air and iPad Air. Thinner, lighter, simpler. So let's talk about what it is, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth it. So the iPhone 17 Air is basically Apple's new lightweight flagship. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is how thin it is. At just 6.1 millimeters, it's officially the thinnest iPhone ever. And at 158 grams, it feels crazy light compared to the 17 Pro and Pro Max. It comes in four colors: silver, midnight, sky blue, and this new pale gold. And the back is still matte glass, but the frame is aluminum instead of titanium. So yeah, it's lighter, but not as durable. The screen is a 6.3-inch OLED panel. Apple calls it a Super Retina XDR Air display. It's bright, up to 2000 nits peak, supports HDR, and of course has ProMotion at up to 120 Hz. Bezels are slimmer than ever, so the front looks modern and very pro-like. One difference: no always-on display. Apple cut that feature here, likely for battery life reasons. Inside, the iPhone 17 Air is running the A18 chip, same as the iPhone 17 and 17 Plus, but not the A18 Pro you'll find in the Pro models. Honestly, though, it's still crazy fast. Apps open instantly, gaming performance is top tier, and it handles iOS 19 without breaking a sweat. That said, the Air has 8 gigs of RAM versus 12 on the Pro, so if you're a heavy multitasker, you might notice some reloads. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments.